Imagine finally finding your dream home only to realize that you're still years away from affording the down payment. Many first-time homebuyers, saving that down payment is the number one hurdle to home ownership. And in fact, actually, the average Canadian needs almost 8 years to save a minimum down payment. A daunting wait while home prices continue to rise. Why is it so hard? One of the big reasons is that most people don't know where their money is actually going, and a survey found that 59% of people aren't actually tracking their spending, making it a lot easier to overspend on the little things and derail your savings. If you're fearful, you should be. Not tracking your expenses could be quietly sabotaging your home buying dream, but here's the thing that's intriguing. If the cash for your down payment is already hiding in your daily routine, just waiting to be reclaimed, why not then just put that extra money aside so you can actually have that down payment so you can afford the house that you're looking for? So we're going to be breaking down why expense tracking is a game changer and how to actually do it easily so it will help you save thousands of dollars much faster. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a seasoned homeowner, or an investor looking to maximize your capital, these tips are going to elevate your financial game. Let's start with the big picture, and that's down payments. Historically, the down payment has always been the primary barrier to entry for first-time home buyers. And it's easy to see why. In 2025, the average down payment was around $37,000. That sum is 24% of first-time home buyers can easily afford, meaning that 3/4 of new buyers are struggling. Even though many loans allow smaller down payments and as low as 5% with CMHC, saving thousands of dollars up front is still a major challenge when you're juggling rents, bills, life expenses, all the rest of it. And did you know that nearly 70% of first-time homebuyers rely entirely on personal savings for their down payment? Most aren't getting a big gift from family or a lottery win. It's actually coming dollar by dollar from their own budgets. Yet, everyday life makes it a lot harder to stash that cash. Inflation is going up, rent, food, gas, which squeezes your ability to save. And obviously no wonder saving for a home feels like running on a treadmill. The truth is that you have a lot more control than you think. While you can't change the housing prices or the economy, you can change your own spending habits. And this is where expense tracking. Now, by taking a hard look at where your money goes, you can find those extra dollars to put toward your down payment each month. It's like uncovering a hidden treasure in your own budget. Before we dive into how to do it, let's explore why tracking your expenses is so powerful. Accelerating the savings. Tracking your expenses puts you in the driver's seat of your finances. Think of it like shining a spotlight on your money. Every dollar you earn, spend becomes visible. This clarity is a game changer. And as one financial guide put it, tracking your expenses may help you see exactly where your money goes and turns that guesswork into clarity. Catching just a few of your leaks, your lattes that you go out and get every single morning per month could add up to substantial amounts in the future. I would also recommend just building better habits. The habit of tracking money in the long run, as a lot of people have said, helps you actually just build better financial. Instead of spending blindly, you start spending with the purpose. Every dollar saved from an unnecessary purchase is a dollar closer to your home. Over time, you'll naturally become more mindful. Do I really want to spend $50 on takeout, or would I rather see that $50 in my house fund? This mindset shift is priceless. And it also allows you to stay in control and motivated. There's a little bit of confidence boost that comes with tracking money as well. Consumers who maintain that budget and actually track their spending report feeling more control and less stressful about the money. Instead of dreading your bank statements, you'll feel empowered, and when you see your savings grow each month, even by a little, it creates that positive feedback loop. And that motivation is going to keep you going on your down payment journey. Remember, every $1,000 saved chips away at the timeline to that home ownership goal. In short, tracking your expenses equals awareness, control, and just faster saving. Rather than saying, where did my money go, to a proactive more, that's where I choose to put my money. It allows you a lot more confidence and just overall motivation to keep on going. You're the boss of your money, directing more of it into a down payment fund. So some simple ways to track your money. One easy way would just be to do a pen and paper journal. It's old school, but effective. Just have a notebook to jot down any expenses that you incur. You can easily do it. It's not techy, very simple, and unfortunately, it does take a lot of time to log everything. If you are going into a monthly ritual, if you do love journaling and want a tangible log, it's a good idea to try this option out. Another simple option is to do a spreadsheet. Just make a simple Excel, Google Sheet, and if you do like a little bit more tech and numbers and analysis like myself, then that's a great way to go. You can have all your expenses, all of your income in different categories, monthly line item, itemize them out, and you can have all your numbers saved in there. There's also lots of apps out there as well, QuickBooks being one of them, where you can just take a picture of your receipt, put it into the right folder, and it'll all get categorized appropriately. And if you want to go to the next step level, you can even hire a bookkeeper to do this process for you to make your life a whole lot easier as well. So I challenge all of you to try just 30 days of tracking as a challenge. It might feel odd initially, but by the end of the month, you're going to have invaluable insights into your money habits. Remember that just getting started is what matters most. You can always adjust your method as you learn what works for you. The goal really here is to capture every dollar, whether by pen, spreadsheet, or an app, so you can truly see your financial picture. Then, once you've tracked your expenses for a few weeks, you'll have a financial X-ray of your life. And now comes the fun part. You'll be able to analyze it to find the hidden money of your down payment. And this is where you turn data into action. The idea isn't to make you feel bad about your spending, it's to redirect it into spending from things you won't want to miss into things that you truly value, like your future home. Prioritize what cuts you actually need to make. You don't need to eliminate all the luxuries and live on rice and beans unless you want to. It's about smart trade-offs. Identify those expenses that give you the least value or that you can replace with a cheaper alternative, and start with those. Often you're going to find that you don't miss that extra streaming service or that second restaurant outing each week, especially when you see your savings account grow faster. It's also a lot easier to stay disciplined when you have a specific target. Figure out exactly how much you're aiming for with your down payment. If you're looking to buy a $400,000 house and you need a 10% down payment, look to aim for that $40,000 down payment goal and write down that goal, even an ideal timeline. This gives you a finish line to visualize, break it into monthly or weekly saving targets, and it's going to turn an abstract goal into a concrete number. It might be $500 per month to hit that X number goal. So now you're going to be tracking those expenses to find tools to eliminate that $500 every single month so you could achieve that goal. Another major trick is to automate your savings. And this is huge. Once you know how much you can actually save thanks to cutting expenses, set up an automatic transfer to your house fund each payday. For instance, if you get paid on the 1st and 15th, auto transfer save $300 each paycheck into the savings account, which makes saving effortless. The money is saved before you even notice it. And one expert tip suggests that when you use those automatic transfers on payday, so the money leaves your checking account before you could even spend it, that means that the people who do this will save even though they don't even miss the money because they don't even realize it's been gone. It's just an automatic trick and it allows you to save and eliminate on those expenses. I know saving for a home, especially your first one, can feel like a monumental challenge, but as we've seen, you have the tools to make it achievable by tracking your expenses diligently. You shine a light on every dollar, empowering yourself to plug the leaks and redirect money toward what truly matters, your future home. Those small changes in spending, from skipping a few takeout meals to canceling some unused subscriptions, can add up thousands saved. And those thousands of dollars could shave months or years off your down payment timeline. Instead of 8 years, maybe you reach your goal in 5 years. Instead of feeling defeated by slow progress, you feel motivated each month as your house fund grows. And here's the bottom line. Tracking your expenses is like kind of hitting a gas pedal on your down payment savings. It brings awareness, control, and acceleration, and it helped countless of home buyers that I've worked with to take control of their finances, and it can help you too. Now, remember, most people do find it easy to spend money without even thinking, but you're not just most people. You're someone who now has the knowledge to take charge, and I want you to keep up the habit by staying disciplined. You're going to get those keys in your hand, and it's going to be so exciting to open up that door of your first home. Now, if you are watching this and you're feeling excited or maybe overwhelmed about putting these tips into practice, you don't have to go at it alone. As a real estate professional here locally, I am here to guide many first-time home buyers just like you every single day, and I want to help make sure every step of the way is as stress-free and simple as possible. The whole process is simple. I know it's confusing, but if you need any help, guidance, support whatsoever, I'm here to support, and no pressure, no obligation whatsoever. Just want to be here of value to your real estate journey. So feel free to respond back to this email or book a call in with me through the link in my email signature below.